I want to talk to you about Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards, and this is an in-depth review. I want to really go through the pros and cons, the features that you need to really pay attention to this year. Okay, so here are the facts I want you to really think about. When you think about Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards, I want you to think about a decent but not so stellar, no annual fee cashback rewards credit card. So this is basically a cashback rewards credit card. Okay, now if you are a preferred rewards member, the card could actually be really great because you are able to earn somewhere from 25% all the way to 75% increase in rewards rates. Because the whole thing is that Bank of America is trying to really solidify its relationship with you and really trying to really reward you for your loyalty. Okay, so basically, with unlimited cashback on all purchases, you don't have to actually worry about rewards limits. So that's kind of cool. But one thing you have to really remember here is that if you are a Bank of America loyalist, other cashback credit cards offer higher rewards with a similar fee structure. That's for sure. So what you want to do is you may want to actually shop around and see like see your choices really. Okay. So for instance, if you are, let's say you are a frequent traveler, basically you do not want to use this card because the card has actually a very hefty foreign transaction fee. So the whole thing is you have to really ask yourself, are you a frequent traveler? Are you looking for a cashback rewards? Are you looking for anything in between? Are you looking for all kinds of rewards? Okay, so the rewards you earn with the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card never expire. So that's kind of cool. So you can redeem them at any time as long as your account is still open. So the account has to be open for you to qualify for this card. Okay, so there is an intro bonus. You can actually earn a $200 online cash rewards bonus after you make at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of the account opening. And you also have, and that's really good, you also have a 0% intro APR for 15 billing cycles for purchases and for any balance transfers made within the first 60 days of opening your account. So 60 days, okay, that's really important. So when you think about this card, think about cashback rewards. You have a welcome bonus and you have extra rewards for preferred rewards members, okay? And on the flip side, you do have a foreign transaction fee, a hefty one at that. And also, other cards offer a 2% cashback. And this card, Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards, does not offer that much. So it is what it is. Let me give you more details about this card here. When you think about Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards, what kind of details should you be thinking about? First of all, if you are a preferred rewards member, especially at a higher tier, the Unlimited Cash Rewards card deserves really a close look. You have to really pay attention to the possibilities that really are that await you with this card. So now, why should you actually back away from this card? Well, if you, let's say, it really depends. Whether you are, let's say, you have a large family, or you just do most shopping in certain categories, then this card might not be really interesting. So if you're all looking, for instance, if you're all looking to maximize your rewards and you're not a Bank of America heavy hitter, look to a flat rate card with higher returns, such as the Wells Fargo Active Cash card. And the Active Cash gives you a 2% back, a cash back compared to a 1.5% with unlimited cash rewards, okay? 2% versus 1.5%. The delta is still there. Now, what about the rewards here? The unlimited cash rewards credit card really avoids rotating rewards categories in favor of a flat 1.5% cashback on all purchases. So what I want to say here is that you are talking about all purchases. There is no sort of differentiation or separation, okay? All purchases, and Bank of America preferred rewards members can even earn higher. Like I said this before, but I want to reiterate it. You can earn anywhere from 25% to 75% more cashback on every purchase. So that's kind of cool because when you think about it, this equates to a cashback rate of 1.87% to 262%. So you can see that this is actually here. It is higher than the 2% that the Wells Fargo Active Cash was giving you. So this can make it a great choice for folks who hate having to track ever changing categories every single month. Okay, so Bank of America is kind of rewarding you here. Now, however, non-preferred rewards member may actually may do better elsewhere because the 1.5%, as I said before, is not really the highest cashback tier offered on a no annual fee cashback credit card. So, and likewise, if you don't mind tracking rotating categories like me, for instance, you can actually net a higher return with a card that offers more rewards in specific categories. Okay. I want to talk to you now about the redemption sort of process here. When you think about the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card, what kind of redemption can you actually contemplate? How do you redeem Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card rewards? So the rewards you actually earn with this card, they never expire, right? I've already established that. So you can redeem them anytime as long as your account has to be open. Your account has to be open, but you have actually 2 to 3 ways to actually redeem your rewards. Okay, the first one is that you can redeem to an account. So that's actually the most straightforward manner. You don't have to. There is no complication. You just get your you just get your rewards real fast. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Basically, you can actually direct Bank of America to actually apply rewards as a credit to your existing credit card balance. So let's say if your rewards equate to, let's say, $200 and you owe, let's say, $1,000 on your Bank of America credit card, you can actually direct Bank of America to actually to apply that. So to minus to deduct the $200 from the balance from your outstanding balance. So that's one option. The second option is you can actually ask Bank of America to apply this as a credit to a Merrill cash management account. Okay, so that's kind of cool, and so the possibilities are there, and you can also have, and that's a good thing you need to remember. You can also have your rewards deposited directly into a Bank of America checking or savings account, or applied as a contribution to a Merrill 529 account. So it really depends whether or not you want to apply this credit to a short-term account or a long-term account, a retirement account. And the cool thing is there is no minimum redemption amount when you opt to apply rewards toward your credit card balance or to have them deposited into a Bank of America account or Merrill cash management account as a one-time redemption. However, you must deposit at least $25 into a 529 account or to set up automatic redemptions to other accounts. So this is just for regulatory purposes. So you can redeem to an account, right? You can also redeem for purchases. So you can use rewards to pay for purchases made on Amazon.com or when you check out with PayPal on eligible purchases. And if you are feeling charitable, you can also donate the rewards through a PayPal given fund. So that's really good. You have a lot of possibilities once again. So let me give you a few extras here. When you think about Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards, what kind of extras I want you to really keep in mind, because the whole thing is you want to really diversify your possibilities. You want to diversify your rewards structure. So you do have additional benefits in terms of extras that come with this card, right? You have a $0 liability guarantee. You have an overdraft protection. You have account alerts, and you have a free FICO score. And the cool thing is that this kind of benefits can be really amenable to you, whether you live by yourself or in your household you have you have a family. Like you have many people actually that depend upon your like you are the head of household. Okay, let me break it down for you. So when I speak about $0 liability guarantee, you're not responsible for any fraudulent purchases made with your credit card, but you have to really notify a B of A as soon as possible. You also have an overdraft protection. So Bank of America's Balance Connect service helps prevent declined purchases, return checks, and other overdrafts by automatically transferring funds from your credit card account to your eligible linked Bank of America deposit account. So that's kind of cool because Again, it gives you, as I said this before, more flexibility. Now, remember that you must have a remaining balance available on your credit card for the service. You also have account alerts, so you can get email or let's say a text alerts. That's kind of cool. Think about it. You get email or text alerts to notify you when your payment is coming due, and if a payment is posted to your account. So if you, let's say today is January 25th, and you have a payment coming due around January 28th. Basically, you will have account alerts, so you can actually set them up to be 24 hours earlier, 48 hours, or 72 hours. It really depends on your settings. And you also have a free FICO score. So basically, you can view your FICO score for free through the mobile app or online banking. Okay, and the cool thing is that scores are updated monthly. Now you also have the possibility to go to a creditscore.org to actually, annualcreditscore.com to actually see your credit score, by the way. So when you think about Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards, basically this is not the only card on the market in this category. Okay, so if for any reason you're like, you know what, I'm not really feeling this card and I just want to try, I want to try something else, you have a lot of similar cards on the market. For instance, you have the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card. That's kind of cool. And you also have the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, okay? Let me first talk to you about the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card. The cool thing about this card is that this is another no annual fee cashback credit card. But unlike the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards, this Fidelity's card offers unlimited 2% cashback on all purchases. Remember that we are speaking about Bank of America 1.5%, and we're speaking about Fidelity 2%. So the delta, the 0.5% delta, is pretty significant. Okay, so this is important, and so there is no foreign transaction fee on the Fidelity card compared to a 3% fee with a Bank of America card. Fidelity's card also offers travel benefits such as special offers on hotels and car rentals, emergency services, and lost luggage reimbursement. So you can see that from a travel point of view, you are really well served with this card because you have a lot of amenities, a lot of possibilities. So that's really that's a good thing to think about. Okay, if you were to really think about. Now, so like the Bank of America card, you can deposit your Fidelity Visa rewards into an eligible Fidelity account or 529 account. So that's kind of cool. And both cards, and I should insist on that, both cards actually provide $0 for liability. So something were to happen, you actually are covered. Now, just remember that you got to notify the institution as soon as possible. If you don't notify them, you're not going to benefit from this protection. In other words, if Bank of America or Fidelity realizes that you were not actually sort of diligent in reporting the fraud, then you are going to absorb whatever loss you have on the card. Okay, so be very prompt, man. Be very thorough. I want to talk to you now about the other card that that acts or that operates like the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards. So you have the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Okay, so like the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards, the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card actually has no annual fee. That's good already, right? Because you do not want to pay for any fee at all. So that's really good. And the card actually provides a 3% cashback on all eligible purchases on up to $20,000 spent in the first year. So that's for the Chase Freedom Unlimited. But the thing is, the similarities actually stop there, because unlike the Bank of America's card, the Freedom Unlimited card also gives you 6.5% on travel purchased through the Chase Travel portal, 4.5% cashback on dining, including takeout and eligible delivery service, and also a 4.5% cashback on drugstore purchases. So you can see that here you're really well served. So that's kind of like what you have with the Chase Freedom Unlimited is flexibility. I mean, that's the word that you want to think about when you compare and contrast Chase Freedom Unlimited to Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards. And the Chase card, and I need to insist on that, the Chase card also provides additional benefits, like you have purchase protection, really, really cool. You have travel insurance, that's kind of cool. Also, you have extended warranty protection, and you also have auto rental coverage. So that's really good in terms of possibilities. Okay, and you also get access to the Chase Travel Portal, where you can book trips with your rewards, among other things. Okay, and there are a lot of possibilities that you can unlock through the Chase Travel Portal. I mean, and it's not just about travel. I mean, a lot of folks believe mistakenly that the Chase Travel Portal is only there for traveling. No, it's there for other stuff, by the way. So, what is our verdict here? So, is this card, the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards card, really right for you? I mean, what kind of suitability can you establish with this card? Well, this is actually, when you think about it, this card is a solid choice for you. If you don't want to deal with rotating rewards categories, or let's say even annual fees. So with unlimited 1.5% cashback, up to a 2.62% for preferred rewards members on all purchases, you never have to wonder what you will earn, really, because there's clarity. Okay, and also this card may be a great choice for you if you seek to take advantage of the 0% intro APR on purchases, or even the balance transfer offer. Okay, this is kind of cool. Now, this is the only one card in the competitive no annual fee cashback rewards category. And one thing for sure, I want you to really keep your options open. Okay, because other options may provide higher rewards for non-preferred rewards members. So the members, the question is, are you a preferred rewards member right now with Bank of America? If you're not, just want to look elsewhere, because the possibilities are definitely elsewhere. And another thing that you need to remember also is that this card actually doesn't have additional benefits like travel perks, something that the Chase Freedom Unlimited card that does have. And also, you do not want to think about the foreign transaction fee, the 3%. That's big. Okay, that's big, because if you are a frequent traveler, you're not going to be able to enjoy this card to the max, because you will be always thinking about this foreign transaction fee. Okay, so when you close your eyes and think about this card, think about 1.5% cash back, maximum 2.62% if you have a solid relationship with Bank of America. Solid means you are a preferred member. Okay, and one thing I want to say also is that you really need to ask yourself, where do you see your usage of this card, let's say 3 months from now, or 6 months from now, or 1 year from now? Because the whole thing is, it's not just about getting the card and really start using it today. It's about where do you see yourself using this card, like, in the near term. That way you can make a determination whether or not this card is actually great for you or not great for you. So this is really, really important. So in the closing arguments into this conversation, I spoke to you about the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards. I give you the facts, the details, the redemption, the extras, the verdict, and now the closing arguments. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.